My dear viewers, my greetings and also my wishes to all of you watching my channel, that is Jacinta Spoken English channel with videos and shorts. I know we have got many videos on spoken English, and in all the videos we have got some tips on grammar also. Some hints are there. Now it is month of February, and I think students will be soon writing their examinations. So now we will concentrate little more on grammar topics. They are also useful for spoken English. Without grammar, we cannot have proper sentences. We cannot frame proper sentences. We cannot make proper questions and cannot give proper answers without proper knowledge of grammar. So little more of grammar can be done in the in all the videos starting from today. So now let us start with with the parts of a sentence. So in English, we have got different parts in a sentence, starting with nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. We have done few more videos also. We have already done. Now systematically we can again have these items. So nouns are just the things, names of things which we see around us. Names of people, names of persons and things, places, everything. And we have got the proper nouns. They are the names of people, even names of places. So my name, Jacinta, is a proper noun. Indra is a proper noun. Mala is a proper noun. Lakshmi is a proper noun. Maria, Juliet, John, uh, Jace, Jisco, any name we can say. No? Jack and Jill went up the hill. Jack and Jill, both are the names, that is proper nouns. Then even about the places, Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta, Iran, Iraq, China, Japan, all these names of places and countries, all these are proper nouns. And we have got some proper nouns which are rare, no? We have got even sun is a proper noun. There's only one is there, sun and moon. So in that way, proper nouns are there, many proper nouns are there. And then we have got common nouns, which we see commonly around us. Pen, pencils, notebook, pen, eraser, scale, blackboard, name board, files, notebooks, everything is a proper noun. Sorry, it's a common noun, which we see around us everywhere. Common nouns have singular and plural. Water, cup, saucer, so many things are there. Everything is a common noun which we see around us. On the road, we see the vehicles passing by. They are the common nouns. Lorries, cars, bicycles, bikes, motorbikes, scooter, lorry, all these, van, all these are there. Okay, so everything is a common noun, which is the things, the names of the things which we see around us. The books, bookshelf, books are there. The cover, everything is a common noun. Then, even collective nouns are there. No? Batch of students, the crew, the group, the class of students. Like that, we have got a bunch of grapes, bouquet of flowers. Bouquet is a common noun. Flowers is a common noun. And bunch, when we say, or bouquet, when we say, it is the collective noun. See? Then, herd of cattle. Herd is a collective noun for the group we use. Then we have even abstract nouns, which we cannot touch. Kindness, gentleness, friendliness, all these are the qualities. Mercy, all these are the qualities of people which we cannot touch. But the people with that quality only we can touch. A cruel king. No, cruel king here, cruel is an adjective only, cruelty is an abstract noun. Like this, we have got many abstract nouns also. Many nouns are there. Without nouns, we cannot form proper sentences maybe. Without nouns also, English sentences are there with verbs around, come out, get inside. All these are there without nouns. But still, in all the sentences, nouns play a major role also. Verb is very important and an essential one. But nouns are also important. So please, my dear viewers, go through these videos and try to understand the different nouns, proper nouns, common nouns, collective nouns, then abstract nouns like this. We have material nouns are also there. Gold, so out of which we make the jewels. Wood, out of which we make the furniture. Like that, we have got material nouns also. Then we have countables and uncountable nouns. So today, for this video, we shall stop with the nouns of different types, so that you can concentrate on it. And we will do more and more videos which will help you to do your examinations well. So go through these videos of Jacinda Spoken English channel and qualify yourself better to write your examinations. Bye for today.